Hi everyone, it's Travel with your girl and welcome back to my channel. Right now it's around 3 a.m. in the morning and we are on our way to Nongjrong. Nongjrong is a place in East Khasi Hills which is famous for its sunrise view with clouds all over. So we'll go and we'll check the place out today. Our car is here. Hi. idea. It's like guys.
Nongjrong viewpoint. Sudah. Okay, pilih.
So we are here at the parking place of the Nongjrong viewpoint and we will be walking for the last leg. Let's go. But how was the drive?
It's excellent.
अंधार देखी पाना है पूरा म्यूजिक बज से Oh my god. Now this is what we were talking about. Hi, it's Travel with your girl back again, and this is Nongjrong. How's the view? It's awesome! Yes! This is Nongjrong, place in East Khasi Hills, which truly defines the beauty of Meghalaya, the abode of clouds.